Tired and confused, but finally safe. After weeks, possibly months at sea, this group of Rohingya refugees is finally on land after disembarking in the Indonesian province of Aceh. For now, they're staying in an empty government building where officials are checking their health and identity. This man told Al Jazeera why he made the dangerous journey.
In Rakhine State, they were slaughtering us. We had to beg for our lives to be allowed to reach the shore of another country.
He says his brother was murdered in Myanmar and he's traumatized like everyone around him. Hundreds of thousands of largely Muslim Rohingya have been escaping from Myanmar since the military's crackdown began in 2017. It's still not clear how long these refugees were at sea. Indonesian fishermen rescued them and brought them closer to shore. Before local authorities decided whether to allow them to disembark, the community rallied together, carrying the refugees from their vessel and onto land.
We felt sorry for them. I saw children and babies on the boat. We didn't have the heart to see that, so we decided to bring them to shore.
Their difficult journey all the more dangerous during the pandemic. They were tested for COVID-19 after disembarking.
How long will they be here? We don't know. We'll coordinate with the central government and immigration. The most important thing now is the test.
This particular rapid test can be unreliable, but so far all the results have returned negative. Human rights groups have praised the fishermen for rescuing the Rohingya refugees from the sea, and also the local community for welcoming them with open arms. But they say it's now time for the Indonesian government to address how they'll fulfill the basic needs of these refugees and work with other countries in the region to stop people from taking these perilous journeys.
The local people are working very hard to collect funds, to collect, all the basic services for the Rohingya people. But I think it should be supported by the government with giving them clarity, giving them certainty that the government is willing to provide them with, shelter.
The Indonesian government says it's working with regional neighbours to put an end to dangerous boat journeys. But years of discussions have not been able to stop the humanitarian crisis causing people to flee in the first place. Jessica Washington, Al Jazeera, Jakarta.